goes by Rose. You know, it's $50,000 a year. You know, from Rose towards the tiling of your bathroom. And Rose is from Jamaica. So give thanks to Rose from Jamaica. You know, I have a profile. Yeah, drive it now. Sorry. So Popsy from the US, $14,000.
Popsy?
Popsy, like Pops, so Popsy from the USA.
Popsy, thank you so much.
This is done from Boston, 27,000 towards the aid fixing up and finish up this project.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them Bad du soleil, 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 bad du soleil.
Dream team one team, blessed love to all, blessed love to all. So we just want to thank all our extended family. You know, want to thank them so much. You know, everyone that reach out. You know, when I mentioned that we're gonna need some more tile towards Miss Donna. You know, towards some funding towards our aid. So I want to thank them so much. You know, for reaching out. You know, and really show the togetherness. Yeah, and I really appreciate that so much. Now, as I say, it's not everything in life is perfect. You know, things will take time. And this way I work with the energy and work with the time we have, and we have to give thanks and we appreciate, you know, what we get and what we've done so far. You know, I have to also thank Natural as well to give him time whenever he can. You know, as I say, we have some ties and finish off the work and everything, and we give thanks. You know, we got some support. You know, we have to really give thanks for the support that we get towards this project. So I know say you never leave us out. You know, always been there, you know, and give thanks to Uno every time, because without Uno, things would have possible, you know. Almighty first, you know, so we thank him and thank Uno for making all this possible. So yes, so we get some donation towards the situation and we give thanks. So we thank Uno so much. And we have Miss Donna here. Yeah, Miss Donna is here. So Donna,
all the extended family, big up on yourself and thank you for all of you do for me. And may the good Lord guide and keep on and protect on our pocket never empty.
yeah, so as a minister, as you see the situation, you know, with the kind of short pants of material, some tile and thing, and then here we call, you know, extended family here we call and then reach out and make it possible, you know, so naturally there. Among the stars of work, so I'll give you some donation so we can go sort out the tiles them and come back with them can finish off the bathroom and everything. Is the main say. But as I will say, we should know the expense is kind of high and things now, and it's not everyone in a good condition at the minute.
Yes.
So explain so this how now we're gonna use the oak, smooth it off, make sure we tile out the bathroom and the entrance. And know say everything is up and running, you know, and we give thanks for we get so far. So Esther, so I have some doings, come take out this to me. So we just want to make sure we complete this. As I said, nothing done before the time.
Yeah.
I will give thanks for we have so far. So we have 27,000 from Dan, from Boston as well, from the USA. You know, reach out, you know, can everyone see and understand your needs. So this is done from Boston, 27,000 towards your aid, fixing up and finish off this project.
Dan from Boston. Thanks so much, and pray that God guide and keep you and your pocket never empty. You can help others like how you help me.
Alright, then we also have Patrick as well too from Canada that reach out as well too towards tiles and anything where we can help out with. That is 20,000 from Patrick from Canada.
Patrick, thank you so much. God guide and keep you and your pocket never empty. You can help others just like you help me.
And we also have Popsy as well too from the US. You know, reach out towards the Popsy from the US, $14,000.
Patsy?
Popsy, like Pops, so Popsy from the USA.
Popsy, thank you so much. I ask God to guide and keep you. And may your pocket never empty and you can help others like how you help me. Thanks so much.
So that's Popsy, so we give thanks to Popsy. We also have Betsy M, you know, Betsy M from the USA. Let's see the need as well too. We got 12,000 here from Betsy M from the USA.
Pepsi M, thank you so much. May God guide, keep you and protect you and your pocket never empty. Keep on helping, God have a blessing for you. Thanks.
And we also have Mr. Lexus as well too. Lexus from the USA, $5,000 from Lexus.
Lexus, thanks so much. God guide and protect you and keep you and for your pocket never empty. Thanks.
Alright, and we have Marcia and Tony as well too from the Bronx. Marcia and Tony from Bronx, $11,000 from Marcia and Tony from Bronx.
Marcy and Tony.
From the
Thanks
Bronx.
from the Bronx. Thank you so much. May your pocket never empty. And may God guide and protect you. As you can help others like how you help me. Thanks.
Yeah.
I'm surprised, brother. Too fat.
Alright then, so we also want a donation as well too. And this donor, I want to thank this donor so much, you know, because this donor is a local as well too. You know, I already spoke to and I highly appreciate them, you know. I tell you, I really respect this donor because it's an unexpected call I got from this donor. And you know, put a smile on my face, we can know that other people is out there watching. So, you know, so we feel like say, certain individuals ain't watching. We got some people that been watching, and I tell you, it's a highly profile. I will give thanks, you know. So the one who goes by Rose, you know, it's $50,000 a year, you know, from Rose towards the tiling of your bathroom. And Rose is from Jamaica. So we give thanks to Rose from Jamaica, you know, highly profile. So we thank you so much. We don't know yourself, so don't want to go by that name. You know, we thank you so much. You know, so this one can more encourage us and carry on this journey. Rose from Jamaica.
Rose, thank you for this donation. And may your pocket never empty. God guide and protect you and keep you. That you can help others, just like how you help me. I know it's hard for you up there, you know, the freezing cold, but thank you so much.
Alright, and so we give thanks. So that's all the donation that we received towards the finishing project, the tiling of our bathroom, and all the stuff then that we're going to need to complete this project. I want to thank you so much, you know, our extended family, you never ever you know, leave us out or let us down, and always there.
Yes.
And I just say my understanding the situation as well, you know, but as I say, things and time, sometimes that's how it works, but we always hope for the best for each and every one of them. I will know say God will always set us on the right path. You know, so every setback is a great get back. I will give thanks, you know, because it's always forward ever, backwards never. You know, I will give thanks to our extended family, and we also keep us in your prayers. You know, we will always pray for now as well too, for what you've been doing for this program and for the needy in Churchtown, you know, because boy, we cannot stop thanking you, because none of the donors is from Kingston, not even from Churchtown, and I still make the ends meet to reach out to someone, because you know, kind of respect the good that we're doing. You know, and DONNA is also a recipient that we've been helping out who's in need, also in Churchtown.
And thanks everybody else, every other extended family that helped me so far till it reached this distance. Thank you so much also. And may your pocket never empty. God always a guide you and protect you. Through the snow, we know it hard for you. Thank you. We thank you so much. We don't even know how to send out the gratitude to me. Have the thanks I give it to you.
So we give thanks, guys. We give thanks, you know. Guys, everything is from the heart, you know. That's what them do. Everything is from the heart. So thank you so much. You know, I'm saying we go up on the road now and get the rest of the stuff then. We naturally gonna need, because I'm say we have to give thanks for natural time.
Yes.
And whenever natural time is here, we have to make use of it. And this is what we're gonna do, so we can sort out the rest of everything. So we give thanks. So DONNA, just one for you too, and stick around.
Yeah, man.
So you can see what I go on.
Yeah.
Alright then. Natural. Alright then, so as I say, you know, they extend the from them here, the plea the other day, and then reach out, you know, so we'll get some rest of the ties and everything. I'm say really touch a lot of them to know, say, well, even natural, even Oliver say, I have to put up him outside for natural, you know, because we contribute as well towards it. So I big up Oliver and Carl, I will say, yo, big up natural, you know, for him do. You know, because him really put him hats off to you as well too. You know, and Barney, them thank you so much for all the left and the right. You know, and prefect always there, and make sure that the guideline is followed. You know, and so we go up on the road now and get what we can get and make it work. You know, so. say for one of them, yeah?
The what?
Yeah.
590. 690.
7,500.
Yeah, that's a 76.
76 for one of them boxes. Dati, quanta pensi? Pensi, fate. No, solo la marca in assi. Non so.
La pensa donna. Pencil C1.
Si manca if you want to mark.
Pencil must be. Wow. Now, then you can say like fine. Watch out at the area. Yeah. Wait till get the tape from tape me. It's a strong here.
Somebody comment and say, boy, one lady comment and say, boy, I watch natural work all the day. Man, for the whole day, I still gonna watch natural work. Natural.
Alright, split this in half now. That's how I go. Right, can you cut it? Tape measure. Tape measure. No man, no, use the one there. No, dust in here.
Oh, use the one.
Oh, yeah, use the one.
Just stick it from the half. No, 18. So 9 and quarter. No 18 is. Is that 19 and a half? 19 and a half, 20. Each 20, 19 and a half. 19 and a half. So I got 9 and 3 quarter. 9 and 3 quarter. And 9 and a half. Put 9 and 3 quarter. 9 and 3 quarter. No, it's 9 and 3 quarters. No, after. The stroke. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Never tell it. Yes, sir. Alright. Come on, go this stuff in the shoulder. It's fast and quick.
Like pass, that's a pass here too, you know.
Quick and fast now. Now go the whole that trip. I live like that for some.
Yeah.
I live amongst Baja.
No, you're real good.
Let's get it on. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Why I never run? Once you can look at it now.
Yeah.
Tell look harder.
Yeah. Look at it. Yeah, you can look at it. One for bumps and find wall is stick on. Cement there? Cement there?
I think.
Put cement there. Put cement in there. Put around 2 big shot of cement in there. It'll pick up. Yeah, dry it now. Sorry. Donna,
White one.
Donna, come and pipe.
Yeah.
Inside that stuff. Tap. That's the top. Okay, the top. Oh, that's not right. Friend, we're bouncing. Tapping. That's our left. Left and right. But this is not fine. This is put on the lower.
I have cement tonight.
Cement, hot. Hard and thick. Apple. I did it up. I'm flinging it up on it. Too sharp. Too sharp. 6 and a half of butter.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.